Hushed, unveiled, unpacking an English phrase. Hello dear learners. Today, we are going to delve deep into an interesting English word, hushed. Ever heard of it? Whether you have or not, by the end of this video, you'll not only know its meaning but also how and when to use it. So, let's dive right in. Hushed primarily means to be quiet or silent. It's an adjective that describes a very quiet or silent atmosphere or environment. Think of a room where everyone is so focused on reading that you can hear a pin drop. That room is hushed. Understanding a word becomes easier when we see it in action. Here are some examples. 1. The forest was hushed with only the faint rustle of leaves. 2. She spoke in a hushed tone so as not to wake the baby. 3. As the main character took the stage, the audience became hushed in anticipation. Several expressions or phrases can be linked with hushed. Here are a couple. 1. Hushed whispers. This means people are speaking very quietly, often because they don't want to be overheard. 2. Hushed tones. This means speaking softly or quietly. Again, usually to maintain some secrecy or not to disturb someone. If you're looking to expand your vocabulary, here are some synonyms for hushed. 1. Silent. 2. Quiet. 3. Muted. 4. Still. Using these synonyms can add variety to your conversations and writings. And there you have it. The word hushed is not just about silence, but the quality and nuance of that silence. It's a word rich with atmosphere and emotion. We hope this explanation has shed light on its meaning and usage. Until next time, keep learning and expanding your vocabulary.